In a world where hope springs from the soil, dreams take root and blossom, a force shapes the destiny of nations, generations, and life itself. The hands of tireless farmers nourishing mankind's bond with the earth. Behind them stands a trusted partner and driving force, JU Agri Sciences. Welcome to the story of JU Agri Sciences, a proud member of the esteemed Jhawar Group of companies, whose legacy began over 128 years ago, when Mr. Sri Krishna Jhawar bought the Oakley Bowden Company and founded the Jhawar Group in 1894. Though established in 1990 as JU Pesticides and Chemicals, in 2014, JU Agri Sciences began spreading its prowess across India and beyond. The company's success lies in dedicated pillars, providing a strong foundation, upholding operations and ensuring growth. Aligned with supporting farmers, JU Agri Sciences created world-class infrastructure and practices, setting new benchmarks. Strategically located factories include one of the largest agrochemical plant, spanning 18,000 square meter and producing over 50,000 kiloliters of agrochemicals and biologicals across all formulations. However, at JU Agri Sciences, it is not just about the quantity, as quality remains the cornerstone of our work. Stringent quality testing in our dedicated QC lab ensures that all our products adhere to the highest global standards. But it doesn't end there. To keep abreast with the latest in technology and provide our customers with the best, we pay extra attention to research and development. This fundamental ethos of innovation and quality is reflected in our investment for the development of world-class R&D labs known as JU Innovation and Technology Center, JITC. While our JITC Chemical Formulation Lab has been entrusted with the task to develop new groundbreaking chemical formulation, our JITC Biological Formulation Lab is equipped to develop innovative biological products including biofertilizers, biostimulants, botanical pesticides and microbial pesticides that will cater to the growing demand for eco-friendly agricultural practices. However, our young, dedicated, self-motivated and well-versed team of scientists do not stop with just creating new products. We rigorously test our latest products through plot visits to ensure their stellar performance. Our customer-focused approach and dedication to upholding best practices have earned us coveted ISO certifications, recognizing our unwavering commitment and relentless focus on quality. This dedication to quality and innovation clearly shows in our products. We provide an extensive range of crop protection and crop nutrition products. Our portfolio comprises more than 130 products tailored for diverse crops and regions, established through evaluations at agricultural institutions. We understand that superior products must reach the people who need them. Following this philosophy, in a journey of mere 2 decades, we have become a leading player in the agrochemical industry and have expanded exponentially, building a strong network of more than 7,000 plus trade partners and 25,000 plus retailers, catering to 2 million plus happy customers. Our impact goes beyond borders. Today, our products are available in over 20 plus countries across 4 continents. We believe that empowering farmers with knowledge and support leads to true success. That's why our skilled agronomists and field experts work closely with the farmers providing them personalized guidance and training on the latest practices. We also utilize our digital channels to share valuable information, empowering the farming community. At JU Agri Sciences, we are dedicated to giving back to the people who hold the nation on their shoulders. Our CSR activities are thus fine-tuned to promote sustainable agricultural practices, ensuring a brighter future for farmers and the environment. Our foundation is built upon something more than just products and services. It's built upon our JU pledge, the values we inbuilt. With our committed workforce of over 1,000 plus employees, we unite as a close-knit family, cultivating our values of care, trust, ownership and excellence. These values are the guiding principles that shape our culture and define who we are as a company. As we move forward to make our vision a reality, we remain deeply committed to our nation's farmers, fields and the soil. We are committed to help agriculture evolve and become sustainable. We believe that when the soil smiles, the nation flourishes. And we believe in a future where